In this video, I'll show you how to use the OpenEarth Tiles plugin to quickly import multiple DAE tiles downloaded from OpenEarth Studio into SketchUp. To use the OpenEarth Tiles plugin, open the Extension Manager. Click Install Extension. Select the plugin file. Enable the plugin after installation. Go back to the Extensions menu. Find OpenEarth Tiles plugin. Choose the folder that contains your downloaded DAE tiles from OpenEarth Studio. SketchUp will automatically load all tiles and place them into the scene. Your full OpenEarth terrain will appear in SketchUp, correctly assembled.